We have just lined up in here to meet up with all the boys. And guess what? Who's here? Let me
Been waiting for Dan, haven't I?
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look, there we are. Coffee and corn meat and pink wrap, boys. And girls. We're gonna stay here for a bit while. Then we're gonna go for a drive, maybe Boscombe Beach or Sandbanks. It depends on the weather because the weather is really bad. So stay tuned. Guys, look at this, okay? Fake taxis. Look at this figure. Look at this figure.
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nbhd. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest.
So we came from Pink Wrap and we drove around for a bit and we came back to our normal location, Sandbank. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys later. Peace.
One false move, find yourself there getting buried. That's what the devil used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama